In this video, we'll show you how you can use Face ID to download and install apps on your iPhone. This makes the process a lot faster and more convenient to download apps. If you find this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing and giving the video a like. Let's say you open up the App Store and try and download an app. Normally, it would ask for your password, but with Face ID, you can just double click the install button and it'll confirm with your face. The normal process can be a little bit time consuming, especially if you download apps often, so this will very much decrease that time process. To begin, exit the App Store and find your Settings app. Once you're in the Settings app, scroll down until you find Face ID and passcode and open up that setting. You may be prompted to enter in a passcode. Under the section titled Use Face ID for, tick on the little thing that says iTunes and App Store. It may ask you to enter in your Apple account password one more time. After you enter in that password, you can return to the App Store, and now when you try and download an app, you'll be able to use Face ID rather than typing in that password. You'll be prompted with an option to double click the side button as you saw earlier to use that Face ID, and it's very convenient. Once it does scan your face though, the app will automatically begin downloading, simple and secure. If this video tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for even more useful tips. Have a good day.